Hi everyone, welcome back to this wonderful program. Before I start anything, I want you guys to understand one thing. I said earlier that this program, deliberately I'm giving it out to some set of people. The first set of people, I'm giving out to 200 set of people, and the reason is because you're the first set that is going to participate on this platform. So that's why I'm giving out for 200 set of people, and I want them to give me their testimony concerning this course that I'm giving out. I want their testimony. So this 200 set of people are going to return back with their testimony, so it will serve as evidence for others. So that's just it. For the 200 first set of people, it is free. It is free, and after the 200 set of people have complete, the course will not be free again. It will be monetized. So please, if you are among those that is watching this video right now, this is a privilege for you. Please take advantage of it and make use of it very well, please. God bless you. So let's continue from where we stopped yesterday. So I want to show us some things in affiliate marketing, CPA affiliate marketing. Yesterday I make us understand that CPA affiliate marketing is between three personalities. The first set of people are the sellers, the producers of the products that you are promoting. They are the owner of the product, and the personality of person B are the affiliate network. They are the one that will collect the product from the producer and help the producer to advertise the product to the world. But the personality of person B, which is the affiliate network, they can't achieve that without the personality of person C. I explained that in the previous video. And the personality of person C are the affiliate, those that will help the CPA network to advertise or achieve their goal in a particular region that they are targeting. So that is the affiliate. So now we don't really have much to say about the personality of person A. We are only focusing on personality of person B and personality of person C. The personality of person B are the affiliate network, and the personality of person C, which are the affiliate, we that we are promoting the product in exchange for money. Are we together? So that's just it. So let's check the personality of person B. So we want to study the personality of person B. We have many CPA affiliate network. There are many, and some of us are familiar with them. I have some of my students, even they're on the group self. Some of them register with CPA Grip, My Lead. We have CPA Mob Idea. We have OGAD, and so many CPA affiliate network. But without wasting our time, let me just show you some affiliate network that we have. So just go to your browser, click on offervote.com. Offervote.com, and here is offervote.com. You can see this offervote.com is an organization that rate and give reviews to every CPA affiliate network based on the achievements for the whole month, the whole year. So they study every CPA affiliate network all around the nation, and they study their achievements. So they rank them, give them review every month, every year. So we have different affiliate network here. So if some of you don't know what CPA affiliate network is now, so that is what we are checking out here. So you will see offer. So these are you will see under offer they wrote offer name payout network. So this offer name is the product that you are going to be promoting. The payout is the currency that you are seeing here, how much you are going to pay. The first one is 1.50%. That's how much you are going to collect for promoting this product, my protein, to France. The location of the product is France. And under that my protein, you will see another one. They write eco-friendly products bundle. So the type of offer is zip submit. So you are going to submit a code. So when a particular person submits a code, you are going to be paid $3. And the network that is promoting this is Ambalaya. Yes, Ambalaya. So that's the CPA network that is promoting that product. If you go to the fourth one down here, they have Protonic, which is promoting to the people from Germany, rather. So you are going to pay $22. And the affiliate network that is promoting is Leadbeat. So these are the network at your right side. and from the left side you will see offer name, and in the middle you will see payout, the return you are going to collect. So let's go to CPA affiliate network. So you will see affiliate network. Click on that. So click on that. You want to check the list of affiliate network that we have. Network is bad. So here are the list of CPA affiliate network. You have Guru Media, which is presently, it has 1,319 offers to promote. We have Terra Leads, which has 811 offers presently to promote. We have Sponsored, we have Sell Earth, we have Golden Growth. This one, I will advise Nigerians to go for it. This Golden Growth, please, Nigerian, you can focus on it. It's a very good CPA affiliate offer. They pay a good amount of money. So we have Adult Force, we have Mass Boundary. This one is very common and is one of the top CPA offers that we have. There are many of them. So these are CPA offers. So what you just need to do is to just click on it and register with them. So I have some of them on my phone already. But if you think their question is too much or is too complex, you can answer it. It's okay. We have Crack Revenue also. We have Crack Revenue. We have PDL Profits. We have many of them. So that's just it. And please let me give this one as a taking note. Please take note of this. Any offer you are going to promote, make sure it is either email submit or pen submit, because those ones are easy to promote. If you are promoting a kind of offer that require credit card submit, the person may not trust you. Even though the payout may be good, may be huge, but the person may not trust you. So you not see someone that will perform that for you. So it's either you go for email submit or pen submit or postal code submit. Please, that's just it. So these are CPA network. You can just go there, register with any of them. This one is Click Lead CPA network. So we have many of them. Click Lead. So let me just go to one of them that you know and is very common. Many of us are familiar with it, which is CPA Grip. So follow me as I'm going to register with CPA Grip now. So follow me. Okay, the video has already entered some limit. I don't want it to be bogus and much, so we are going to do that at the next video. So thank you for sticking to the plan. Please make sure you watch this to the end. Thank you so much. So if you have any question, you are free to ask. So you can just mail me or text me on my social media. You can go to my YouTube channel at Smile TV. So just contact me. Thank you so much. God bless you.